We had this young patient who ended up losing something as important as their two front teeth. And that really didn't sit well with me. It really bothered me to think of how horrible that would be to be that young and not feel comfortable smiling, to have to worry about coming in to see the dentist more times than he'd care to anyways. So I want to talk more about why our clinic has a free sports guard program for youth contact sports. It all starts back when I started out as a dentist over 10 years ago. I had a case that really didn't sit well with me. We had a young patient who was just doing what kids do, playing at the skate park there with his scooter, and unfortunately took a bad tumble. And what ended up happening is that the teeth became so broken in the front that through all of the efforts that were taken over there, nothing could be done to salvage this situation. Years later, it ended up in a situation where the teeth were lost. And so, despite the best attempts of specialists and ourselves to try and rectify this situation, we had this young patient who ended up losing something as important as their two front teeth. We made a decision early on that if we could avoid that same situation for our other young patients, that we didn't want there to be an obstacle or cost for that. That if wearing something as simple as a good custom-made sports guard would avoid there being the trauma and the difficulty for someone growing up like that, that we wanted to make sure that we were providing that service for them. We're really proud of our sports guard program. We enjoy having the kids come in, being able to pick the color that they want, to be involved in getting a tour of the office, seeing that this isn't necessarily a place that they have to be worried about coming in. We want to make sure that they know that we're invested in protecting an asset as important as their smile, as their front teeth.